Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev.b. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean family. For today's video, I'll be styling this wig from WowAfrican.com, and you guys know Wow African is one of my favorite wig brands. So first things first, this wig is 10 inches. It is a blunt bob. Obviously it's a little bit longer on one side, and I really like this style cut bob. So the wig came pre-plucked, it's bleached for you, all of that. I did bleach the knots a little bit lighter because you guys know how extra I am, and even with my extraness I sometimes over bleach my knots. It wasn't too bad this time. However, I'm going to be trying a slightly different melting technique than what I usually do, and the only difference is instead of spraying the freezing spray on top of the lace, I'm going to spray it under the lace. I really like how the Got2B glue freezing spray melts lace. I just really love how it looks. It's soft on my edges where it won't pull my edges, even though you're not supposed to even put your lace on your edges. Just bring it a little bit forward, but it's compared to the Ghost Bond and other wig glues, like sis, like I'm not trying to lose my hairline. Okay. So yeah, so I'm basically just going to spray it under the lace before I remove the excess lace. Then I'm going to use my blow dryer on warm or cool just to give it that quick dry, and trust me, this dries instantly. You just put the blow dryer on it for a couple of seconds and voila, it is dry. It is tacky, it is super secured. I absolutely love it. I just love doing or using the Got2B freezing spray. And the reason why I'm doing this a little bit different is because like recently when I do it on top of the lace or the hair rather, it gets a little bit not stiff, but yeah, stiff. And so I'm like, you know what, let me try putting it under the lace and see if it works just as well. And it actually does. I'll spray a little bit of the Got2B freezing spray on top of the lace in certain areas just to make sure that it's super melted. And also when you get the lace that matches your skin perfectly, sis, it's even more like freaking amazing. This lace isn't a perfect match to me, but it's the closest I could get. Like, you can tint your lace and all of that. I didn't tint my lace because I was so lazy, guys. Don't be as lazy as me. Tint your lace if you want it to be like the perfect match, if you have the time and all of that. But you know, I'm all for the lazy girl method. I use makeup to cover or tint my lace when I'm all done. So yeah, then I'm gonna use the Afro-G mousse. You can use any mousse that works for you. I love the Afro-G mousse because it actually like gives that hold that I like without being too stiff or cakey and all of that. So I'm just gonna use my little edge toothbrush to fix it up a little bit. I couldn't find my edge brushes. I don't know where any of them are, which is weird. And yeah, I just use this. So I'm gonna use the mousse, and I'm gonna use a molding wrap. You can find it at your beauty supply store. All these stuff that I use on the wig is accessible at your beauty supply store. So I'm gonna use a molding wrap to tie down the frontal while I do my makeup. So this is how it's looking. I did wash the wig, so the parting did get lost a little bit, but the great thing about these wigs is that the parting, you can part it anywhere on this wig. It will look natural. And as you guys can see, I didn't do the ball cap method because it's a lot of work and I ain't got no time to be doing all of that. So it's still like really scalp like, which I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna take this flyaway tamer just to help with the flyaways, and then I'm going to flat iron the hair some more just to get it that blunt look without looking too blunt. I want it to be like a little bit freeing, not too stiff. I don't want it to look stiff and too perfect, but at the same time I need it to look a little bit neat. So y'all get my gist, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, I'm just going to play around with the hair, fix it up a little bit more. Just do what you need to do to get your wig to look as best as you can get it to look. So that's what I'll be doing further on in this video. And And now for the final touch, I'm just going to take this foundation powder just to blind on my lace and my forehead, just so that it could give a better match to the lace and my forehead and makeup. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of that foundation powder also on the parting, just to make it look a little bit natural. And also, I did not pluck this parting at all, sis, like at all. That's how great the parting is. Just put a little bit of makeup on it and it's freaking bomb. So as I said, tint your lace to get it to that perfect melt and match. And also, I'm just using a little bit of mousse just to help tame the parting to make it stay in place. And that is it for this look. Like, I absolutely love this blunt cut. I didn't cut it any further. This is how it came out of the box. If you want to cut it to your liking, you can do so, but I'm absolutely loving it. And also, I added these snap clips that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link for you guys down below for the store that I got these snap clips from. They came in different colors and I absolutely love them. This is the end of the video. All you need, the details will be in my description box below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As I said, the link will be down below. You can use my coupon code Chev15 to get $15 off of your wig. Shout out to my featured subscriber, Rihanna. I think it's how you spell it because it has an H. Rihanna Mug. And yeah, go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.